All right, this review is going to be on this 12x6 FORZA soccer net. I did a lot of research on different soccer nets, and this is what I come up with for like the best soccer net I could buy here on Amazon for the money. If you got kids like that are a little bit older, even younger kids, it really don't matter, but if you plan on keeping this for a long while. Now we have a smaller one we've had for a good, probably a year and a half now, and there's like nothing wrong with it. All right, this is the 8x6 FORZA that I've had for a good year and a half, and there's pretty much nothing wrong with it other than the kids did kind of wear out the back of the net a little bit back here. But it's all hooked back on, but it's been sitting out in the weather for quite a bit. Really, really nice. I mean, this one right here, I can pretty much I can hang from this bar. It's so strong. I definitely think you guys would be really happy with any of these FORZA nets. They're soccer nets. They're built really, really well. And you can replace these soccer nets. So if they would end up wearing this soccer net out because it's sitting out in the weather for a long time, and you have to buy another soccer net, you can. This is the 12x6 FORZA soccer net. Now you can get this in like 6 different sizes too. So this is definitely one of their larger ones. They actually have another one a lot bigger than this. There's a 16x7, which is bigger than this one. But now it did come with, I have a bunch of extra actually little bungees that it did come with. And that's how you're gonna hook that net on. It was pretty simple. And it did come with all these things here. These are like stakes to stake it down to the ground, but you really don't need them. I'm gonna let my boy kick a soccer ball into this 3 or 4 times just to show you. You can hit that thing probably as hard as you want and it's not gonna fall over. Yeah, and I would say the trickiest part to putting this together, putting the whole frame together was really, really simple. But then when you get the net out, you're gonna be, oh no, how do I put the net on? Well, just line this little patch up right here with that little sign right there. Once you line that corner up, then you just put the rest of it on. It's real, real simple after that. My boy's gonna kick 3 or 4 balls into that thing hard. So let's watch that. Hang on, here we go. Yeah, that thing does not even move. Let me kick one. I think you're kicking light. I think I about broke my hip. You can't move that thing. Good one. Oh, good one. Oh, not a good one. Ooh. All right, thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you out. I know your kids will really, really love this soccer net.